Here's a quick short video today. We're putting in some 12-footer posts because we are installing a shade sail today above the chicken coop. It's the next day. I'm gonna work on the sides right now. Excuse the noise. The wife is weed whacking back there. So for these long runs, the center pieces that I'm interlocking, I'm gonna go about 18 inches. I have my two pieces cut, and because this is going to be a long run, I'm gonna put a lot of Type Bond 3. Okay, I'm on my second one now. Got the glue on. And I got the long side in. Okay, here's the instructions. So this is how they want you to install it. They want the two corners up high and then your opposite two corners very low. So I already have one side connected, and then to get it up over the coop, if you see in the back, I took a tow strap, tied it on there and threw it over. Here's some of the hardware. These I'm saving for the low side, and at the top I'm just putting the carabiner that it comes with. This is how I tied it, and since the other side has the heavy weight, I was able to throw it to this side. So right now I'm just installing some of the hardware. Okay, it's a lot of tension. Try to do this. Yeah. Whew. Here's what I dislike. They gave us this fake rope. This is plastic. As you can see, that is not going to last long at all. The tensioner is great. Just tighten it. That's pretty tight right there. It's been about close to 2 weeks now. The shade sail has been awesome. It's doing its job. We really like it. It's rained very hard and rain hasn't gotten into the coop. And the hens, they love it. As you can see, it's looking good. The only thing I didn't like about it was, like I showed you at the end of the video, this plastic rope. Other than that, we like it. Right, girls? I believe my wife picked that up on Amazon. I didn't make that purchase, but if I can find where she got it from, I'll leave you the link. But I like it because after we move the hens from there, we could still use that as a little hangout, because we are planning on sending the hens downhill and making an outdoor kitchen in this area. You can see it from this angle. It's good. The only thing I need to do is just even out the top posts. This one's about 2 feet and that one is about 12 inches. So I'm gonna cut them all down to 12 inches. Reason for that is because our property does pitch a lot, because at the far end there is the creek. So if you found this video entertaining and educational, leave it in the comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You have yourself a good one. Thanks for watching. Good morning. If you stood to the end of the video, you're getting to see the 1 year review. It's early. Let me drink some more of this coffee. It's been 1 year and it's still looking good. It's holding up. And this year we had got a lot of snow and I never took it down. It's still doing its job. I did do one thing, if you saw. I changed out that rope. I do recommend don't use the rope. Do something else instead, maybe a carabiner. This cable here I made myself. As you can see, all the vines haven't started growing. But it's okay because they still get shade. We liked it so much we purchased this other little one for their run. Excuse me, we are filming. She's complaining because she wants me to let her out. So if you're looking for a shade sail, then this is the one you want. It's heavy duty. I like it. We enjoy it. It's very well made. And I held on to this video because I wanted to give you at least the 1 year review. Well, to be exact, it's 11 months, but it's close to a year. Last year I didn't put the video out because I wasn't sure if this was going to be a quality product, but it turns out to be very well made. As you can see, I started a whole new other project here. Building the deck. Not done. I'm getting there. This will be another video. I'm getting ready to install the steps. Hopefully by the end of this day there'll be steps here. But it's coming out good. Doing the picture frame style. As you can see, Summer's always in the middle of it for some reason. Like I said last year, the goal is to move the hens further down, and where their coop is at, it'll be a hangout spot. So if you want to continue watching and seeing the transformation of this backyard project, subscribe. I hope you found this video entertaining and helpful. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one. Thanks for watching.